Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope so you're fine and doing your work properly. Now take out your social studies books. Yesterday we have learnt about the Stone Age, their time periods and the way of people living in that time. Now today what we will do, we will solve the exercise. Take your pencils in the hand, open page number 13. We will solve question number 1, choose the best option. What time period is termed as Lower Paleolithic period or the Old Stone Age period? Number A, 250,000 BC to 200,000 BC. B, 250,000 BC to 100,000 BC. C, 50,000 BC to 10,000 BC. D, 100 million years ago. Right answer is 2500,000 BC to 200,000 BC. That is option A. Number 2, the earliest of the humans in the Stone Age are Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Homo sapiens, or none of these. Right answer is Homo erectus. Number 3, dash refers to the last part of the Stone Age. Paleolithic period. Number 2, Mesolithic period. Number 3, Neolithic period. D, none of these. Right answer is C, Neolithic period. Number 4, the early humans first lived as nomads. B, farmers. C, warriors. And D, both A and C. Right answer is A, nomads. Dash are called the modern man. Homo habilis. B, Homo sapien. C, Homo erectus. D, none of these. Right answer is Homo sapiens. Now come to question number 2, that is question answer. First question is, why is it important to study the history? Look at the answer. History is the compilation of all the facts and events of the past. Studying those events gives us the understanding of how the world around us came to be, including diverse nature and the culture of mankind. Question number 3, how do we know that the early humans were adapting to the environment? Humans found many ways to create irrigation and used domestic plantations or plants and start farming. With farming, people altered their natural environment and even more and adapted it as their habitat. Number 4, which time period became famous for the development and civilization of human settlement? Explain the changes that took place in that time period. Answer is, the Neolithic period is the age for development and civilization for human settlement. During this period, we find some major changes regarding number 1, agricultural evolution, number 2, crop cultivation, number 3, domestication of the animals, number 4, reduction in hunting, number 5, pottery, jars making, etc. Come to question number 5, describe what happened in the Neolithic Stone Age. As we have learned that in this age, agriculture section revolutionized, reduced and hunting practices, high production of pottery making and increased the domestication of animals. Come to question number 6, what is Ice Age? How were people able to migrate to other continents? They are asking about the question, what is Ice Age? Answer is, Ice Age was an age when the ice at the North and South Pole expanded extensively and temperature of the earth dropped. The ice froze the oceans, so the early human migrated to the warmer places. Come to question number 7. Compare and contrast between the Paleolithic Age and Neolithic Age. We have to compare and give the difference of these two ages. Firstly, we will discuss Paleolithic Age. It is called Stone Age. Number 2, people's lifestyle based on the tribal society. Number 3, the tools of this age were made of wood and not sharpened. Number 4, there was no concept of private property here. Number 5, food based on hunting and foresting only. Now we will discuss Neolithic Age. It is called the New Stone Age. In this age, people formed permanent settlement for living. The tools of this age were polished and sharper by grinding. Number 3, the concept of private property and ownership was developed. Food based on grew crops such as wheat, crops, etc. Here our chapter and exercise has been ended. Now it's your duty to learn the chapter keenly and carefully and do your work properly. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.